Kurt Cobain's influence on grunge music is undeniable. As Nirvana's frontman, he fused raw emotion with heavy guitar riffs, creating a sound that was both aggressive and vulnerable. Cobain's songwriting, marked by introspective lyrics and a haunting sense of melody, connected deeply with a generation searching for authenticity. His fashion, flannel shirts, ripped jeans, and unkempt hair became the visual signature of grunge. Beyond music, Cobain's rebellious spirit challenged mainstream culture, making grunge not just a genre, but a movement that redefined rock forever.